2 more boxes of 2012 Cryptozoics, The Big Bang Theory, or Theoretical. So here we go. He's hoping for a penny anything. Stuck in the bottom there. There we go. There we go. It's more fun this way. Base. Well, the value out of this stuff is just so solid, though. And the memorabilia is not penny. It is a nice plaid piece of Dr. Sheldon Cooper. Jim Parsons says Sheldon Cooper. Memorabilia. Base. Base. Got an insert of the borrowed pillowcase. Base. 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 We've got a Queen Bee insert. Base. We've got a behind-the-scenes observation number 9. Base. Base. Insert plea for help. We've got a behind-the-scenes observation number 3. Base. Base. Insert of an exercise in futility. Base. Base. And the autograph. It's not a bad one. Not penny, but it ain't bad. Rajesh Kutrapali. Kunal Nayar as Raj. Nice auto there. Raj autograph. I think even a few of his broke 3 figures. And base. All right. Box 2. So that was a good box. Raj auto, Sheldon mem. Base. Base. Then we got a mem in here. Oh, that's a cool swatch. We got a nice 2-color mini break Howard Wolowitz. Howard memorabilia. wardrobe card. Base. Base. Too much Freud. Insert. Base. 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 Scanners-esque insert. Base. Behind the scenes observation number 8. Base. Base. Behind this insert's easier than an engine. Behind the scenes observation number 2. Base. Base. Borrowed pillowcase. Insert. Base. Base. We've got an autograph of Missy Cooper. Courtney Hengler. Missy Cooper autograph. And we finish with base. So there we go, buddy.